Can you get me an entry permit?
My family has one stored away! Come with me, and I'll guide you to it!
That's a tempting offer. But can I trust you?
I'm not lying! I swear!
Fine. Get me the entry permit, and I'll leave quietly.
Thank you!
Arise. But before we go, what exactly are you?
My name is Esil, eldest daughter of the Radiru family.
Not what I asked. Do you hear a voice telling you to kill humans?
What? No. But, I do hear other voices. The voices tell me to protect this floor.
Demons and magic beasts have different purposes. How long has that been going on?
Ever since we woke up in this place. We're originally from the demon realm.
And what did you do there?
We were preparing for war against a powerful enemy.
The system is stopping her. What powerful enemy?
That's...
Esil! The system reacted when I asked about her enemies. Whoever the demons were fighting. Could they hold the answers to all this?
Huh?
You awake? Looks like even demons don't get along. These guys were trying to attack you.
Did you protect me? Thank you.
How long does it take to get to where the permit is?
It's not far. I'll guide you. That's the Radiru family castle over there. I'll try talking to him.
Maybe it's only natural. We're basically trespassing in their territory.
I don't know how I'm going to introduce him to my father.
You awake? These guys were trying to attack you.
Get a hold of yourself, Esil Radiru. Let's think this out. He's my guest. Move aside.
Ma'am, this man! We'll take care of him!
I said he's my guest.
Please step back! Letting him enter is unacceptable!
Listen to me!
I don't think words will do. I'll handle it.
Jinyu, sir.
I prefer actions over words anyway.
I will avenge my friends!
I'm sorry.
Don't worry about it. They'll wake up after a nice long nap.
Okay. I hope he's not offended. Hello, Father. I've brought a guest.
Esil! What have you done? Who is he? Can you not see his army? There in the darkness, a legion of soldiers hide behind him! How dare you bring soldiers into my home!
Father!
I promised that I'd leave in exchange for the floor's entry permit.
Is that all you want?
I have one more request. I'd like to borrow her for a bit. In order to locate the next one, so need her guidance.
A guide? Is that all you need?
He must have misunderstood when I said I would borrow Esil.
If I had known that this monstrous human leads those shadowy soldiers... You won't harm my daughter?
I'll keep my promise.
Very well.
It's a real entry permit. Is this the quest structure? Every family has a permit? Esil, we can head out right away, right?
Right!